Hi guys, so as I told you, I'm going to be giving you the ingredients you're going to be using naturally and get rid of dark patches, dark circles under the eyes, dark circles nearby the ears. So today I'm going to be talking about Vaseline the Blue Seal. Vaseline the Blue Seal, it has that beautiful exfoliating ingredient that is going to clear your face naturally and leaving your skin glowing and shining. So guys, I always prefer using olive oil. Olive oil will definitely clear your dark patches. And lemon, it has that vitamin C ingredient that is going to lighten your face, your dark patches, and also leaving your skin smooth and without causing any side effect. But if at all you have a sensitive skin and your skin is very sensitive, make sure that you use lemon in a measured amount. Don't just use it just because you want to get rid of the dark circle. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can mix this thing and clear your dark circle in just few days. So guys, I'm going to be using my lemon. So for the lemon, I only need the juice. I just need the lemon juice. As you can see, so I'm going to be using my spoon because I don't need to use the seeds. That's why I'm using my spoon first. I would be using 1 spoon, as you can see. That is enough. So next I'm going to be adding in my Vaseline. That is enough as well. Next I'm going to be adding in my olive oil, 1 bottle cover. That's all. So I'm going to start mixing them together. Lemon, you mix it with olive oil and always make sure that you find Vaseline the Blue Seal and olive oil. For me, I prefer using Zaitun, the original one. So as now you can see, this is whenever you're having that burn, it may be caused by a chemical cream, it may be caused by the sun, it may be caused by a fight. So make sure that you treat it naturally. So this is a natural treat. It's, as now you can see, it has turned into a cream now, as you can see. So you're going to be going in your affected area, then you apply your jelly. So that's how your skin is going to be looking glowing, and it's going to treat your skin in just 7 days time. Try it out and you're going to be thanking me dearly. Love you all and can't wait to see you in the next video.